Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to our channel Botany with YouTube. Today I am here a PhD scholar. I am going to present a topic seed habits. Contents of our video: seed habit, history of seed habit, lineage of seed plant, evolution of seed habit, pollen tube formation, and conclusion. Botany with YouTube is our channel. If you are new in our channel, then please try to subscribe our channel. Seed habit. A seed may be defined as fertilized ovule. A seed is an integument megasporangium having an embryo. You can see here in diagram the structure of seed coat, embryo and stored food. Seed habit. Spermophyte are seed producing plant, and the seeded plant dominate over non-seeded vascular plants in kingdom Plantae. The seed habit is the most complex and evolutionary successful method of sexual reproduction. You can see here the seed habit in pteridophytes. History of seed habit. The earliest seed plant progymnosperms emerged in the late Devonian period. Progymnosperm fossils show vegetative morphologies to seed plants, but all progymnosperms did not have seed or seed-like structure. There are some fossils of seed-bearing seed ferns. You can see here in diagram gymnosperm and angiosperm plant according to different era or periods: Paleozoic, Mesozoic. Lineage of seed producing plant. Today there are four major lineage of extant gymnosperm seed plant, and some are extant and some are present. You can see here Genetopsida, Ginkgopsida, etc. You can see here in diagram fossil seed of extinct gymnosperms. Botany with YouTube is our channel. Share our channel, share our videos with your other friends, researcher and your colleagues and students. Evolution of seed habit. Evolution of seed was an important change in reproductive system of vascular plants. Evolution of seed occurred about 390. First complete seed appeared during the late Devonian time. Integument are specialized protective covering around megasporangium which vary in number. Ovule is an integumented indehiscent megasporangium. You can see here in diagram the gymnosperm and angiosperm structure of seed. Steps involved in evolution of seed. Number 1 is evolution of heterospory, retention and germination of megaspore within the megasporangium, development of protective layer around megasporangium, reduction to a single functional megaspore per sporangium, development of an embryo sac within the sporangium, modification of distilled end of megasporangium for pollen capture. step of seed evolution. You can see here in diagram. Evolution of heterospory. Condition in which two kinds of spores are produced by plant. Primitive vascular land plants produce one kind of spores, so they are called homospores. And during early period of evolution, some plant groups starting to produce two type of spores like microspore or megaspore. Micro means small. They are small in size, produce in microsporangium and form male gametophyte or the microgametophyte. Megasporangium means large size, germinate to form female gametophyte. So if the plant have two type of spore, microspore and megaspore, then it will called heterospory. You can see here in diagram as well. Retention and germination of megaspore within the megasporangium. In the heterosporous vascular land plants, the megaspore shed and dispersal soon after their formation. Megaspore germinate to form female gametophyte. However, in some plants, the megaspore is retained in megasporangium immediately after its formation. In other, megaspore is permanently retained within the megasporangium. You can see here Selaginella. Structure is heterospory. Within the megasporangium wall, the megaspore germinate to form female gametophyte that contain egg. Development of protective layer around megasporangium. Some branch-like structure of sporophytes surrounding the megasporangium fuse to form protective covering called integument. Integument are specialized protective covering around the megasporangium which are vary in number. Due to this covering, the megasporangium become totally indehiscent. This change led to the evolution and formation of ovule. An ovule is an integumented indehiscent megasporangium. In this way, more protection was provided to the egg-containing apparatus in the terrestrial environment. Reduction to a single functional megaspore per sporangium. In the megasporangium, each megaspore mother cell produces 4 functional megaspores. These germinate to produce 4 viable female gametophytes. There was a competition for space and food among 4 gametophytes. In the vascular plant, there was a trend toward the reduction of megaspore in the megasporangium. One megaspore was selected for further development into a healthy female gametophyte. The remaining 3 were aborted. Like our channel, and if you have any question, you can ask us in comment section, and if you want to share your point of view, you can share with us in comment section. Development of an embryo sac within the sporangium. The single functional megaspore retained within the megasporangium germinate to form a egg containing female gametophyte, and it will called embryo sac. You can see here in diagram. Modification of distilled end of megasporangium for pollen capture. You can see here in diagram. The distilled end of megasporangium become modified for capturing pollens. For example, development of stigma in flowering plant. Pollen tube formation. Pollen after entering the distilled cavity of the megasporangium produce pollen tube. The pollen tube carry male gamete into the embryo sac to fertilize the egg. Pollen tube formation is important for sexual reproduction to occur in seed plant. Pollen tube act as conduit to transport the male gametophyte or male gamete cells from the pollen grains either from the stigma to ovule at the base of pistil or directly through ovule tissue in some gymnosperm. Noozygote form which form an embryo. After fertilization, the megaspore is transferred into a seed. The integument becomes the seed coat. You can observe here the pollen grains. Two sperms move towards the egg through the pollen tube and then fertilize the egg. Conclusion: a seed consists of an embryo, store food or nutrition, and a seed coat. Seed habit is considered as an adaptation of heterospore and retention and germination of seed megaspore within the megasporangium. The megasporangium after fertilized or fertilization is transferred into a seed, the integument becoming the seed coat. The seed offer a maximum degree of protection to the developing embryo under the unfavorable terrestrial environment. You can observe in diagram. Botany with YouTube is our channel. Thanks to visit our channel. Thanks for your concentration, for your attention. Good luck to all of you. Allah Hafiz.